Alright, let's go ahead and make this program more user-friendly. So instead of showing this block of error, we're going to show a message that says the word doesn't exist, please double check it, or something like that. So the way to do it is, let me go to the Python interactive shell. You can check something like that, rain in data, and you get true. If you do this in data, you get false. So we need to make use of this and say if word in data, sorry, this has to be w, we're talking about this variable, and so if w in data, what you want to do is return the value. So this is the value, and so if this returns true, this is executed, right? Else return the word doesn't exist, please double check it. So when this is false, then else is executed. This actually the expression under else is executed, and this is not executed. As you see, this is quite readable, very human readable. This is the good, one of the great features of Python actually. And so I can save this now and go here, execute the program. Rain would work as before, and this says the word doesn't exist, please double check it. So as easy as that. So the program is taking shape. However, you need to do more tests to check for different inputs, in order to take into consideration every possible input that the user may put there. So let's say the user puts rain in uppercase letters, and this says the word doesn't exist, but actually rain is a word that exists in your data set. And so how do we count for different uppercase letters? You also may have like mixture of letters like that, and it still says the word doesn't exist. Or even rain like that, the word doesn't exist. So think about that again, and in the next lecture I'll implement that, which is very easy. See you there.